great. So festive season is going on, like Navaratri is going on and Durga Puja is coming. Actually Durga Puja is also going on. So today I'm going to create this ethnic makeup look, because when it comes to puja or any kind of a religious thing, I love to wear ethnic dresses and also I love to do ethnic makeup. And this year we can't go like crazy, like we can't do crazily garba and also we can't do like crazily pandal hopping जो कि हम लोग करते थे, but we can like get ready होने के लिए कोई reason नहीं लगता honestly. So we can get ready and we can go outside with our family and friends, थोड़ा सा chill कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा खाना पीना कर सकते हैं. And so if you want to know how to create this look, and believe me it will take only 30 minutes के अंदर you can do this. So if you are interested, let's get started. Okay, so first we are going to start with our skincare, because without skincare makeup is just incomplete. So first I am going to hydrate my face, and I have nothing on my face right now. This is like my absolutely bare face. And first I am going to use this is Good Vibes pomegranate glow toner, but इसके अंदर Good Vibes cucumber toner है. So this is actually cucumber toner, Good Vibes. I love Good Vibes toner. So first I am going to spray it on all over my face. And it's so hydrating, and if you are searching for a good toner you can definitely invest on it. Okay, so now next move on to serum, because I generally prefer using serum underneath my makeup rather than using moisturizer. So I'm going to use this Good Vibes Tea Tree and Papaya Oil Control Serum, because you guys know that I'm an extremely oily skin girl, so I need this. But if you are someone from dry skin person, you can use your serum which you are using. So anything will work actually. If you have like extremely dry skin, you can use your moisturizer too. So I'm going to use this serum and I just love this. And the best part is that this is like non-sticky. Like ये आपके face को चिपचिपा नहीं करेगा. That's the thing. So I'm going to massage it on all over my face. And after massaging, you can see that ये मेरी स्किन को बहुत ग्लोइंग कर देगा. Look at this. This is like so beautiful and so juicy. Like my skin looks so hydrating and juicy, and it feels also. And that's the thing I love the most. And anyways, next move on to primer. So you can skip primer. Generally मैं primer पहले इस्तेमाल नहीं करती थी, but nowadays I am using actually primer. So for that I am using this. This is Nykaa Pep Me Up primer, and I just love this because this is silicone based primer, and it makes my T-zone really very matte, because generally my T-zone बहुत ज़्यादा oily हो जाता है. So I need it to select little much of primer, and I'm going to rub it between my fingers, and I'm going to press this around my T-zone, and do not rub it, otherwise it will like peel it off, क्योंकि इसमें थोड़ा सा peeling effect आ जाएगा, because this is actually a silicone based primer. And you can use it under your eyes also, like if you have बहुत सारा smile lines या फिर wrinkles, you can use it. It will like immediately reduce those. ये permanently reduce नहीं करेगा, but temporarily इसको थोड़ा सा reduce कर देगा. And yeah, so I'm going to use this. This is L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, because my skin is extremely oily and it tends to get oily after 1 to 2 hours. So I have to use something which is matte. That's why I'm using this, and I'm in the shade 104 Golden Beige. So now I'm going to set my face with this. This is Maybelline Fit Me powder, and it is in the shade 25 medium, and this is absolutely I love this, and I think ये सबको ही पसंद है. Not only my favorite, ये सबका ही favorite है. And now I'm going to move on to my brows, because if you are following me, you guys know that I'm obsessed with brows. Okay, so brows are on, and brows can really make your face like hair to hair. And now I'm going to move on to my eye makeup. And मैं जब भी कोई Indian outfit पहनती हूँ, I like to use like मैच माई आई लुक विथ माई आउटफिट. एंड मेरी जो आउटफिट है इसमें गोल्डन है एंड ऑरेंज टिंट है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू डू माई आईज विथ द हेल्प ऑफ ऑरेंज एंड गोल्डन. मैं जो आई लुक आज करूंगी, यू कैन टोटली चेंज द कलर एंड यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन आई लुक विथ फॉलोइंग द स्टेप्स. लाइक स्टेप को आप फॉलो करो बट कलर चूज करो आप अकॉर्डिंग टू योर ड्रेस कलर. बट आई विल गिव यू अ सजेशन दैट व्हेनेवर यू डू एनी काइंड ऑफ एथनिक आउटफिट एंड आपने एथनिक आउटफिट पहना है एंड उसके साथ अगर अपने मेकअप कर रहे हो तो ऑलवेज लाइक मैच योर आई लुक विथ योर ड्रेस. इट विल रियली लुक्स रियली वेरी प्रीटी. So that's why I'm going to do my eye look with the help of orange and golden. So first one is this is Makeup Revolution Tummy's Revolution, if I am not this is Tummy X Revolution, like Tummy के साथ ये collaboration है. And this is Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and this is in the shade Red Alert and this is my absolutely favorite eyeshadow palette. So okay, so first from this palette I'm going to use this color and I'm going to dust it off on all over my eyelid. Always start with a light crease color and उसके बाद आप नेक्स्ट कलर पे फोकस करो. बट पहले क्रीज कलर ले लो एंड डस्ट दैट ऑन ऑल ओवर योर लीड टू मेक लाइक अ बेस फॉर योर आई लुक. सो आई एम गोइंग टू apply it on all over my crease and also on my lid. Okay, so my crease is done and I'm actually planning to do a halo eye look. So for that first I'm going to take this kind of a point tip brush. So look at this, it has like a beautiful point tip and I'm going to take these two color. Like as you can see, this is like a orange color and this is like a reddish tone color and I'm going to take these two color and believe me, this palette is hell pigmented. So you have to look at this. This is hell pigmented, so you have to be very careful. And I am going to use these two colors only on my inner corner and my outer corner. If you guys know halo eye look क्या है, तो हेलो आई लुक का है कि बोथ इनर कॉर्नर एंड आउटर कॉर्नर में कुछ मैट फिनिश में आई शेडो होगा जो कि थोड़ा सा डार्कन होगा एंड बीच में हम लोगों को सेंटर पे हम लोगों को कुछ ग्लिटर इस्तेमाल करना होगा. दिस इज एक्चुअली हेलो आई कॉन्सेप्ट. यू कैन यूज लाइक अ बोथ साइड डार्क एंड बीच में आप ग्लिटर की जगह कुछ लाइट कलर भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. सो आई एम गोइंग टू लाइक अप्लाई दिस ओनली ऑन माई इनर एंड माई आउटर कॉर्नर. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to take my concealer again and where is my concealer? Okay, so let me just find. Okay, I got it. So this is NYX HD concealer and मैं इसको सेंटर पे इस्तेमाल करूँगी. बस थोड़ा सा ही मैं इसे इस्तेमाल करूँगी. ओके ओके, सो हम लोगों का जो सेंटर है वो प्रेप हो गया है एंड इट्स स्टिकी राइट नाउ एंड यू नीड दिस स्टिकीनेस. Do not set this with any kind of a powder or any kind of a white eyeshadow. And now I'm going to back to this palette again. So I'm going to take this color and अगर necessary होगा तो then I will take this. But first I'm going to take this color and look at the pop. Oh my god! I don't think I need that golden color. And look at this, look at the difference. Okay, so now I'm going to use that same color जो कि मैंने क्रीज पे इस्तेमाल किया था. And first I'm going to blend the upper portion. उसके बाद में जो inner and outer corner की जो portion है उसके ऊपर मैं focus करूँगी. So first I'm going to blend the upper section to look it like more nice and evenly blended. I'm going to take this rusty color. ये थोड़ा सा rusty color है and इसके साथ मैं ये color mix कर लूँगी. To make it like more glamorous and gorgeous and party look, I am going to use this golden glitter kajal and this is from Nykaa. Glam में आप kajal if I am not wrong and this is in the shade golden. And I am going to use this on my lower lash line. So now I'm going to use mascara. So for that my go-to mascara is this. This is Lakme this is Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara and this is like my go-to mascara. I just love this and this mascara is really really good and ये बहुत affordable है. Okay, so mascara is on. I'm going to use false lashes because this makeup really needs a false lashes. But if you don't have false lashes, don't worry. मैंने कभी भी false lashes इस्तेमाल नहीं किया है. Honestly, if you know me, तो you know that. क्योंकि मैंने लास्ट आई थिंक 1 महीने से मैं फॉल्स लैशेस इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ. सो इट्स टोटली ऑप्शनल. सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस इज नायका लैशेस बिकॉज आई रियली डोंट हैव एनी अदर लैशेस. मैंने ये 2 ही ऑर्डर किया था. एंड दिस इज इन द नंबर आई थिंक दिस इज इन द शेड ड्रामा. शेड नहीं, आई थिंक इसका जो नाम है वो ड्रामा है. एंड इट रियली लुक्स रियली वेरी ड्रामेटिक एंड आई लव दिस. Like look at this, it really very dramatic and I'm going to use this. Okay, so glue को थोड़ा सा ड्राई होने के लिए छोड़ दूंगी. आफ्टर यूजिंग लाइक लैशेस, उसके बाद अगर थोड़ा सा आईलाइनर की जरूरत हो तो मैं यूज कर लूंगी. तब तक आई एम गोइंग टू मूव ऑन टू माई रेस्ट ऑफ माई फेस मेकअप. सो फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू डू कंटूरिंग. जनरली मैं कंटूर नहीं करती हूँ एक्सेप्ट पार्टी ओकेशन या फिर पूजा के लिए, ऐसे दुर्गा पूजा या नवरात्रि के लिए मैं करती हूँ. सो फॉर दैट आई एम यूजिंग वेट एंड वाइल्ड कंटूर पैलेट and I am in the shade, I don't know, I can't find it. So I'm going to contour and this is like a really good contour powder, so you can totally invest on it. And just look at this, it instantly give you a shadow. Like look at this, it has a like shadow this side, but इस side कोई shadow नहीं है. Just look at this. My this side look really very chisel, but this side look as usual chubby क्योंकि I am a chubby girl. So lashes are on and it really creates the drama. इसका नाम एकदम सही है. And look at the drama of my eyes right now. And now I'm going to move on to the blush. So for that I'm going to use this. This is Biotique natural blush and this is in the shade coral. मेरे आई लुक के साथ ब्लश को मैच करने के लिए I am using this and I am just loving this. This is one of my favorite blush actually. And this is hell pigmented and I love to use lots of blushes क्योंकि blushes really makes your face like fresh and juicy. Okay, so for face makeup only thing is left is highlighter. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Mustard Chrome highlighter and this is in the shade Molten Gold I guess. And I'm going to use this and this is like the best highlighter ever. And like look at this, एक ही स्ट्रोक में इतना अच्छा पिगमेंटेशन देता है. like that's why this is like universal favorite. like look at this, look at the glow and I love like look, oh my god, it is like the best highlighter ever. Okay, so everything is done, only thing is left is lipstick. So for that I am going to go with like nude color क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा वाइब्रेंट है आँखों की मेकअप एंड आई एम लाइक ग्लोइंग. सो आई एम गोइंग टू डू लिटिल बिट ऑफ न्यूड थिंग एंड आई generally prefer long day के लिए bullet lipstick. Bullet lipsticks are my absolutely favorite. So first I am going to line my lips with this lip liner and this is Miss Claire lip liner and this is in the shade Mocha. And I am going to line my lips now and this is actually dark chocolatey shade. This lip liner is really beautiful on its own. Like you can literally use this as your lipstick. I really love the shade, but on the center of my lips I'm going to use this. This is Huda Beauty. I love to do this. Like look at this. I love to do this. This is Huda Beauty Power Bullet Lipstick and this is in the shade Prom Night. And as you can see, this is like a pale nude color. And I'm going to use this on the center of my lip. एक मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं एकदम तैयार हूँ just to go outside. And especially I love my lips. Like look at this, look at this. Oh my god. Okay, I have to stop it now. And yeah, now I'm going to put on some jewelry and I will be right back. Okay, so this is my final look. Hope you have liked this. Honestly मुझे बहुत पसंद हुआ है ये look and I'm going to do this on my brother's wedding for sure. Like I am obsessed with this look, especially these eyelashes and this lipstick. So yeah, I hope you have liked this. If you did, don't forget to like this video and also do not forget to comment down below if you like this look or not. And after a long time I actually do a makeup video. Like I used to do lots of makeup videos back to days, but unfortunately I don't know, I have stopped to do that. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you have liked it, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and hopefully we will cross like 10k within this year. I hope so. So please support me and do subscribe, and yeah, that's it. So see you on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy, and most importantly, stay safe, and please enjoy your Durga Puja and Navaratri safely. Like, do not go crazy with your Garba dance and pandal hopping, and bye bye.